Poetry writing for kids. Topic 9. Writing an ode poem. A poem can be a collection of words that expresses feelings or ideas, sometimes with a specific meaning, sound, or rhythm. An ode is a form of poetry that is written to celebrate a person, place, or thing. Odes originated from ancient Greece. They were usually performed with a musical background, often an ancient string instrument called a lyre. Some common themes for odes are love, admiration, celebration, and friendship. Odes are usually elaborately structured and have a formal tone. Tone is the author's attitude towards the subject of their poem or the audience reading their poem. An ode poem can follow one of these 5 forms: short, long, romantic, funny, or sarcastic. Some poets insist that an ode should be no more than 4 to 8 lines long. Some of the most famous odes are 30 lines long. Instead, the focus is on passion, not length. There are different types of ode poems. Here are 4 types of ode poems. They are Pindaric, Horatian or irregular, English romantic, and Sapphic. Pindaric odes were written in the 5th century BC by ancient Greeks and are usually used in stage plays by performers. Pindaric odes are written in 3 parts and often tell a story with emotion while continuing the plot. Horatian or irregular odes originated in the 1st century BC from Latin poet Horace. These types of poems are a lot more personal than Pindaric odes. Horatian odes are usually written with 2 to 4 stanzas and do not have to follow a rhyming pattern. English romantic odes are the most common and can be written anywhere from 4 lines to 30 lines. This form of poetry mostly follows a rhyming pattern in the English language and are popular inspirations for full songs. What once started as epic tales and middle-aged poems, English romantic odes can be found in a lot of today's music that you listen to. Sapphic poems are the most structured type of ode. It is made up of 4 lines, a quatrain, with 3 11-syllable lines, ending with 1 5-syllable line. These odes usually do not follow a rhyming pattern. Let's take a look at an ode called Ode on a Grecian Urn by John Keats. This is one of the most famous odes written, which was written in 1819. O Attic shape, fair attitude with breed, of marble men and maidens overwrought, with forest branches and the trodden weed, thou silent form dost tease us out of thought, as doth eternity cold pastoral. When old age shall this generation waste, thou shalt remain in midst of other woe, then yours, a friend to man, to whom thou sayest, beauty is truth, truth beauty, that is all. Ye know on earth, and all ye need to know. Let's take a look at the structure of this poem. This poem is written about a Grecian urn, which looks something like a large vase. It is written in 5-line stanzas. This poem does not follow a specific rhyming structure, but notice that the rhyme scheme can be found at almost every other line. Now, I will write my own ode poem. First, I will need to choose a structure that I want to follow. I think I will follow the English romantic structure with a quatrain. Then, I will need to brainstorm a topic for my ode. I think I will write about a cupcake. Next, I will need to think of the 4 lines I want to use for my ode and make sure I include rhyming words. Last, I will need to put my words together for my readers. Let's try it. My ode poem is called Scrumptious Cupcake. Oh, scrumptious cupcake, it's truly you I love, a soft and sweet yet tasty treat sent from heaven above. I did it! I wrote my very own ode poem about a cupcake, and I followed the English romantic structure, which includes rhyming words in a quatrain. I also chose to write my ode in short form. Now it's your turn. First, you will need to choose an ode structure that you want to follow. Then, you will need to brainstorm a topic for your ode. Next, you will need to think of the number of lines you will use for your ode and make sure to include rhyming words depending on your poem structure. Last, you will need to put your words together for your readers. Would you like to learn how you could write any type of poem? Then be sure to check out the next video in this series called Writing an Elegy to learn how you can write your own elegy from start to finish. If you like this video, then check out Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner for even more. If you are a teacher, you can follow Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and TPT. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching!